Hello, we are from Group 1 and we are going to talk about the academic integrity in online assessment. Firstly, we're going to talk about reasons students engage in academic dishonesty, the opportunity and ease of cheating. The use of webcam monitoring or remote proctoring may create opportunities for cheating, especially if students can find ways to bypass the monitoring system. Next is pressures and incentives. Students may feel pressured to cheat due to the high stakes of online exams or the desire to achieve high grades, especially if they perceive cheating as a shortcut to success. Thirdly, lack of detection accuracy. The automated cheating detection system may not accurately identify all instances of cheating, leading some students to believe they can cheat without being caught. Fourthly, the perceived norms and cultural factors. If cheating is perceived as common or acceptable within a student's peer group or academic community, they may be more likely to engage in dishonest behavior themselves.
Continuing is the technological advantages. First, accessibility of resources. Students can easily find test materials and answers online, making cheating tempting. Second, digital communication. Technology allows students to share answers or cheat strategies during exams through messaging apps or online forums. Third, exploitation of system weaknesses. Some students exploit online exam system flaws to access materials or change scores. Next up is fear of failure. First, pressure to succeed. Competitive environments push students to prioritize grades over learning, leading to cheating. Second, consequences of poor performance. Failing grades can harm future opportunities, motivating students to cheat to avoid these consequences. Third, performance anxiety. Anxiety about tests or feeling inadequate drives some students to cheat to relieve stress and pass. Lastly, peer influence. First, social pressure to conform. Students may cheat to fit in or maintain social status among peers, fearing isolation if they don't. Second, normalization of cheating. If cheating is common among peers, students may see it as acceptable or necessary for success. Third, lack of accountability. In environments where cheating isn't punished, students feel emboldened to cheat knowing there are minimal consequences.
Methods for reducing academic dishonesty in online assessment. First, improve monitoring and proctoring by raising the perceived possibility of being caught and increase monitoring techniques. For example, live online proctoring can discourage cheating. Second, enhanced detection methods using advanced software for detecting cheating and including video summary tools can assist in detecting suspicious behavior that teachers or proctors can evaluate at a later time. Third, authentication method. Test students' identities can be verified by challenge question or biometric identification, which also reduce the possibility of fraud or unauthorized exam taking.
Next is a lockdown browser. Using lockdown browser can prevent students from accessing external resources during exam. This program takes control of the entire computer system by prohibiting access to the task manager, copy and paste function, and function key on that device. This will help reducing the opportunity for cheating. For this reason, it is proposed that these programs should be used in conjunction with other exam security measures in order to prevent and detect cheating behavior during exam. Second one is assessment-based method. Given the financial and logistical concerns, this designing assessment with randomized question sequence, time limits, and other security measures that can make cheating more difficult and deter students from attempting dishonest behavior. It is also important to note that many of these considerations are closely related, and many of these will are into facilitate an honest assessment. We continue with evaluation and improvement. It will help regularly assessing the effectiveness of anti-cheating measure and adapting strategy based on feedback and emerging trend in academic dishonesty. It can also help maintain the integrity of online assessment. In addition, it is also important to make students aware of the penalties that exist for academically dishonest behavior.
Next, let's dive into the ethical considerations surrounding online tutoring. Privacy is a significant concern, as online tutoring often require access to student webcam and microphones, potentially invading their personal space. Discrimination can also occur with factors like socioeconomic status or technology accessibility impacting student experience. Some may face barriers due to inadequate resources. Additionally, access to online practical software itself may be limited for some students, exacerbating inequalities in assessment. By acknowledging and addressing these ethical concerns, educators can ensure online assessments are conducted in manners that respect students' rights and dignity. It's crucial to strike a balance between academic integrity and ethical principles, fostering an inclusive and supportive learning environment for all.
As we reach to the conclusion, the article examines motivations for academic dishonesty, urging further research on online cheating and other adverse exploits, emphasizing the needs to consider assessment types and student demographics. Methods for preventing and detecting cheating online are discussed, stressing fair treatment and addressing underlying motivations. To conclude, the importance of maintaining academic integrity is crucial for higher education's reputation, especially in online learning. That is all for our group's infographic video. All in all, we would like to express our gratitude and appreciation to all the authors conceived of and outlined the project. Olivia Holden completed the majority of the literature review and wrote the first draft with the help of Megan Norris for the completion. Thank you.